How to clear your Instagram cache. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear the cache of your Instagram app on your mobile device. So, first of all, let's go to our Instagram app. Now, once you've opened your Instagram app, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings. Now, if you scroll down and go to anywhere, you won't find the option to clear your Instagram cache through the app. So what you have to do to clear your Instagram cache is by going to your settings. After that, scroll down and then go to apps. Now go to app info and then locate Instagram over there. Now go to storage and cache, and if you are on your Android, you will simply see the option clear cache, which is right over here. But if you are on an iOS device, you won't see the option clear cache. So what you can do to clear your cache is go to settings, general. After that, go to iPhone storage, then locate Instagram and then simply offload the app. Now once you've offloaded the app, simply reinstall the app, and that is basically how you clear cache on your iOS device. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.